Catherine Bernardo looks gorgeous sa kanyang latest cover sa Mega Magazine. Tingnan nyo na lang guys, everything about this picture screams modelesque. Parang ang tangkad-tangkad dito ni Catherine Bernardo. Humaba yung katawan niya, di ba? Dahil sa posing niya. Then, yung kanyang complexion dito looks healthy and looks so beautiful. Talagang sinasabi dito ni Catherine Bernardo na, I am a woman and I'm not afraid to show it. I think this is a good move on her part kasi she's 28 years old na, 'di ba? At itong picture na to nagsasabi na I am ready for the next part of my life. Gusto ko lang i-quote yung sagot niya on her having a revenge body. When you say revenge, it's like you're proving yourself. I think na magnify lang. Ever since naman I work out, I wear crop tops and I wear what I want. I am a woman now. I know better what I want and what feels good on me, what looks good on me. O, diba? So with that said guys, tingnan pa natin ang iba pang litrato ni Catherine Bernardo dito sa Mega Magazine. Oh, ano masasabi nyo dyan? Diba? Ang ganda? So sexy, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Dito I feel like she's channeling Tyla. Mag-water dance ata siya dito. Pero, look, ang ganda-ganda, diba? Ang sexy. This one, ang ganda din guys. As in, para siyang siren, para siyang nang-aakit na basta ang ganda. And this one guys, talagang sinasabi ni Katrina, I am ready. So kayo guys, anong masasabi nyo sa mga bagong pictures na to ni Catherine Bernardo?